All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a treat for you tonight. We are here at the Mariner Beach Club in St. Petersburg Beach, Florida. We're at 4220 St. Pete Beach, 4220 Gulf Boulevard here in St. Petersburg Beach, Florida. Beautiful 30-unit timeshare condo right behind you. We're getting ready to show you this whole beautiful complex. But the most important part about this is the beautiful white sandy beaches right behind here. So let's get out there and we'll show you and we'll see you there. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we are bringing you beautiful condo complex here on St. Pete Beach, Florida. As you can see, I'm standing here on the white sandy beaches of St. Pete Beach, Florida. We're in the Tampa Bay area, west coast, central Florida here. The complex behind me is the Mariner Beach Club. It's a 30-unit complex, and these are vacation ownership condos, which are basically we're auctioning every condo that we auction off. We are auctioning 1 week for this unit here throughout the whole year, and we'll let you know which unit that is and which time that is. But this is a beautiful 30 unit complex here with a beautiful pool, 2 jacuzzis, barbecues right here on the beautiful sandy beaches of St. Petersburg, Florida. Let's go ahead and take a look at the unit right now. Meet you up there. All right, here we are up on the 2nd floor. As you can see right behind me, got the beautiful St. Pete Beach, white sandy beaches of the beautiful St. Pete Beach right behind me. The unit we're getting ready to show you now is unit 214. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 420 square foot, fully furnished, beautifully updated condo here in the Mariner Beach Club. This unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So let's go ahead and show you around this unit here, which has a beautiful balcony overlooking the pool, overlooking the beach. It's an outstanding unit right here. Off to my right, you have your shuffleboard. You got another jacuzzi over here. You got some barbecuers to the right as well. Beautifully landscaped complex here in the St. Pete Beach area. So let's get in this unit 214, and we'll take a look around. All right, as we come into your unit here, unit 214 at the Mariner Beach Club. Again, as you can see on the floor, we got probably 12-inch to 18-inch tiles, 16-inch tiles maybe on the floor throughout the unit. And we'll show you that except in the bedroom. You got a table right here, 4 chairs. You got a small kitchenette right here, granite countertops. Amazing, these units. You don't see too many of these small units out here with a dishwasher. You have a dishwasher here, microwave above there, your cooktop. You have a 2-burner cooktop right there. This unit is stacked with all of your plates, pots and pans, cups, anything you need to cook with is all in this kitchen right here. You got a regular sized refrigerator there as well, a coffee machine, small pantry cook area, I would imagine. To my right here, you have a sleeper sofa. Nice, colors to that. Again, these places just scream the beach. When you walk into them, you know you're at the beach. You know you're enjoying the beach right here. So we have mirrored wall there. In the corner by Sam, you got a little stereo with another lamp and a house phone right there. As you can see out of our windows here, you can see the beautiful sandy beaches of St. Pete Beach. You got your shuffleboard. You got barbecuers, everything out there that we discussed earlier. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 420 square foot unit. So it's not the biggest unit, but it is absolutely beautiful and enough space to, if you're coming down for the week and just to turn the phone off, turn everything off, and relax. Your 1 unit from the sandy beach here, so it wouldn't take you 2 seconds to get down there. It just took us 2 seconds to walk up here. So now we're going to come over here. We do have these units are central heat and air. You do have your central heat and air condenser unit in this closet here. The closet to my left here, as you can see, this is a pantry, linen closet, any type of storage you want to keep in there as well. You do have a TV with cable. These units do have Wi-Fi. That is the cable. The $678, which is the yearly dues for one of these units, actually for every unit in here is $678, and with that $678 you have cable, Wi-Fi, electric, insurance, ground maintenance, everything, roof, everything for this unit. That is the only, if you purchase this unit for the week, that is the only fee you're going to pay is $678 for the whole year. And you don't have to worry about another bill coming from this place here, or from the association here. So now let's go ahead and we're going to walk back here. We got your master bedroom, the main bedroom, and your bathroom, and we'll see you there. All right, as we come back out of the living area here at Unit 214 at the Mariner Beach Club, we do have, again, the same tile throughout into the bathroom area. You have a granite countertop, sink, storage below, nice big mirror right here. Inside the actual bathroom, you do have another sink with another granite countertop matching the outside here with a one lower cabinet, mirrors in there, medicine cabinet, toilet, shower, tub combo right there. And as we come into the only bedroom in your one bedroom here, you got carpet on the floor. You got a nice mirrored doors here right behind us. You have a closet here to store all your stuff. You got a beautiful, this is probably a queen size bed here with a nice headboard and matching end tables right there with lamps. And behind me you have a chest of drawers, TV, and some art on the wall. And again, you have the balcony and your sliders are right there. You got a ceiling fan mirrored across the back there. This unit does not feel like it's 432 square feet, I believe that 420 square feet. Feels a lot bigger than that. And then you got this beautiful balcony right here, which we're going to show you right now. So let's head out here and we'll see you there. All right, as we come out of your unit here, Unit 214, we are out on the balcony right here. You got a beautiful table, umbrella, not sure why that's up yet. Maybe it was a little bit windier out here today. You got four chairs for your balcony here. As you can see behind me, you're right off of the pool. Pavered around, beautiful pool area, jacuzzi over there. You got your main office and the rental office is up front there. And as you can see, the most important part right behind me is you got beautiful sandy beaches here at St. Pete Beach, Florida. Again, down here, it looks like you got a sitting area. You got a lot of barbecuers around, and you got a lot of chairs sitting around by the pool. So this is just a beautiful unit here. Unit 214, one bedroom, one bath, 420 square feet in the Mariner Beach Club here in beautiful St. Pete Beach, Florida. It is the middle of January and it is 83 degrees out here right now. I'm starting to sweat. But again, the ocean's looking great. This beautiful white sandy beaches and this pool looks beautiful for a January winter time out here. So now let's get back to the front, back out to the beach, and we'll see you there. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, another beautiful condo here at the Mariner Beach Club in beautiful St. Pete Beach, Florida. Again, we are on the west coast of Florida, the Tampa Bay area here. White sandy beaches I'm standing on. Right behind me is the Gulf of Mexico. Straight that way is Mexico, right across from us. So you have a beautiful complex here again, 30-unit complex, pool, 2 jacuzzis, barbecues, everything to sit out here right smack dab on the white sandy beaches of St. Petersburg, Florida. This is a great units we've been showing you here. This is a great opportunity right here for vacation ownership here. Every week on here is owned by someone else around the world. This is just a beautiful complex here. Good luck at the auction, and we'll see you there.